Unbreakable bond of family. Ladies and gentlemen, imagine a world without a family. A world where no one stands by your side during your darkest days. Where no one cheers the loudest when you succeed. A world without a comforting words of a parent. The laughter shared with siblings. Or the wisdom passed down from grandparents. Can you imagine how empty life could be?
No.
Family is more than a group of people connected by blood. Family is where life begins and where love never ends. It is the foundation of who we are. The first place we learn the meaning of compassion, sacrifice, and unconditional love. Through every triumph and every failure, family remains our greatest source of strength. But let me ask you, do we truly appreciate this? Too often, we get caught up in the rush of everyday life. We chase careers, wealth, and recognition, believing that success will bring us happiness. Yet, when we achieve those goals, we often find something missing. Why? Because true happiness is not found in material things. It is found in the moment we shared with those we love. Think about the sacrifices your family has made for you. The late nights, the hard work, the dreams they set aside so you can see your own. They may not always see it, but their love is shown in the little things. A meal cooked after a long day. A listening ear when the world feels too heavy. A hug that says, you are not alone. Yes, family is not perfect. There are disagreements and misunderstandings. But through it all, family teaches us the power of forgiveness. That strength to move past mistakes and love each other despite our flaws. In a world that can be cold and unforgiving, family is a safe haven. A place where we are loved simply because of who we are. So today, I challenge you, never take your family for granted. Call your parents, hug your siblings, spend time with your grandparents. Let them know that they are valued. Because one day, all that will remain are the memories you create. Success, fame, and wealth may fade, but the love of family is eternal. It is a bond that cannot be broken, a source of strength that will guide you through every season of life. So, hold your family close, cherish every moment, and remember, in the story of life, family will always be your greatest chapter. Thank you.